In class 11th accounts, we are on the chapter trial balance, and in this chapter I already explained you the theory part of trial balance, why we make the trial balance, the meaning, the importance, objective of trial balance, methods of making trial balance, which are given in the trial NCRT, that there are 3 ways to prepare the trial balance. But my dear children, Mayur, am I audible? Yes. So in this chapter, already in the previous classes, I gave you the theory part, I gave you importance, meaning, objectives of trial balance. Then on one day I gave you the complete format and the methods or ways to prepare the trial balance, balance method, total method, balance and total method. So today we are going to start a new question, numerical question of trial balance. See children, first of all you can see this question, then you will be able. The following trial balance has been prepared by an inexperienced accountant. Redraft it in the correct form. This type of question may come in your exam, that redraft the trial balance. And for the trial balance, I gave you very few keywords. How to do that? I'm sure you must be able to learn all those, like see what I told you, all assets, all expenditures, purchase, sales return, expenses and losses, all will be debit always. All will be debit always. Then reverse it. All liabilities, income and gain, sales, purchase return, capital will be credited. Capital will be credited. So same way, by the same way as I taught you in the previous classes, we will redraft it in correct form. Because this trial balance is prepared by an inexperienced accountant, so we have to make it correct. This is wrong, so we have to make it correct. There will be no change in the method. You will prepare by the same way as I taught you in the previous classes. Whether this question is given in the wrong way, inexperienced accountant, or they have given you the fresh balances, method will be same. Now how to make it? Look at the screen. Children, look at the screen. Serial number, detail or name of account, debit, credit, okay, debit, credit. Now, one by one, we will discuss, then we will write. Land and building, asset, that's why in debit. Plant and machinery, asset, that's why in debit. Wages, expenses, that's why in debit. Discount allowed, expenses, that's why in debit. It is given wrongly in credit. So don't worry, you have to follow those 2 lines rules. All expenditures, asset will be debited. All liabilities, all income will be credited. So here discount allowed will be in debit. So how to make? Children, look here, one by one, land and building, the amount given 1,20,000 in debit. Then next machinery, 92,000 in debit. The next wage is 18,200 in debit. The next discount allowed. Discount allowed is the expenditure, that's why being debit. The next discount received. Discount received is an income, that's why in credit. Purchase will be in debit. Sales in credit. Now the next. Return inward. The return inward is sales return, that's why debit, and return outward, purchase return, that must be credited. But here these two things given wrong. You can see the screen. Return inward, sales return will be always debit, but here it is given in credit, so it must be in debit. Return outward, purchase return, that must be credited, but it is given here in debit, that is wrong. We transfer this amount in credit. Then opening stock is always an asset, that's why debit. Debtors means those persons who will give us the money in future, that is asset, debit clearly. Creditors means the liability, means the organization has to pay, that's why it is liability. Liabilities are in credit. Then carriage on sales and carriage on purchase. Both should be debited. Why both should be debited? Because both are expenses and these should be transferred to debit side because all expenditures will be in debit. Then insurance premium paid, that is debit. General expenses, that's why debit. Cash in hand, asset must be debit. Then what about bank overdraft? Bank overdraft is liability and it should be transferred to credit side. It is shown wrong. You can see the given trial balance. Bank overdraft should be transferred to liabilities. Then capital must be in credit side and it is given credit, means it is right. And drawings. Drawings means personal expenditure, that should be debited. So my dear children, please note down these two. Now be careful. Don't show closing stock in the trial balance. Yes. Now children, start to make. Yes, please start to make. Priyanshi, start to make redraft or the correct trial balance and then we will discuss the answer. Those who want to note down the question, they can. Tanish Malik, please switch your video on. Noel Joel, you will give us the answer. Total of debit side, you will tell us. Tanish Malik, please don't switch off your video, my dear. Note down the question, then do the answer. Then we will discuss it. Tanish Malik. Yes. Rishiraj Singh. Now children, make this trial balance in a correct way. As I taught you just now, I told you how to make it. All assets will be in debit, all liabilities will be in credit, all expenditures will be in debit, all income will be in credit, purchase debit. Jatin Bhatia, you will give us the total of debit side. Sales credit, sales return debit, purchase return credit. Jatin Bhatia will tell us the total of debit and Tanish Malik will tell us the total of credit side. This is the easiest way to do the question by learning two lines. Only two lines we have to learn. These are the two lines. All assets in debit, all expenditures and losses in debit, purchase and sales return always in debit. Then reverse it. All liabilities, all income and gain, sales and purchase return will always be credit. So the way you have to make by the same way as it is given on the screen, but put them in correct order. Put them on the correct place. Like discount allowed is given wrong. In place of credit, it should be in debit because this is an expenses. Discount received is given in debit, it should be transferred to credit. Noel John, who will tell us the total of both the sides. Noel John. And then return inward is given wrong here. Return inward means sales return, that should be in debit only. Return outward, that is purchase return. Purchase return should be in credit side. Noel John, are you making? Tanish, you will give us the answer of total of debit side now. Then carriage on sales, it is an expense, it should be transferred to debit side. Bank overdraft is the liability that should be transferred to credit side. Drawings is the personal expenses that should be transferred to the debit side. Jatin Bhatia, will give us the total of debit side. Tanish Malik will tell us the total of credit side. Then Noel John will give us the total of both the sides. This is the easiest way to make the trial balance. Put them in the correct side by learning only two examples or two lines. Simplest way, asset debit, expenses losses debit, purchase and sales return always debit. Now reverse it. All liabilities in credit, all income and gain in credit, sales and purchase return must be credited. So this question, it is clearly mentioned here that this question is prepared by an inexperienced accountant. Redraft it. Redraft means put them on the correct side. There are always two sides in trial balance. One is for debit, another is for credit. Yes, see here, that is given wrong, put here. See here, this is given wrong, put in credit, because received is in income, allowed is an expenditure. Then here also, return inward, that is given wrong. Return outward, that is purchase return. Carriage given wrong, drawings given wrong, bank overdraft, that must be in credit side. Now, Tanish Malik, please tell us the total of debit side of your question. I am sure everybody make it. Yes. What will be the total? We will discuss it. And if you have any doubt, you can say. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Yes. Now I unmuted you. So Tanishq Malik, please give the total. Tell me the total of debit side. Yes.
Just a minute.
What is the total of debit side? Yes. Now, first we will discuss the total of debit side. Yes. Noel John, what is your total, my dear?
Ma'am, my table is not complete.
Okay, first complete it. Jatin Bhatia, what's your total in credit side?
I was unable to note the last two ones.
Okay, I'll show it. Okay. I'll show you that screen again. Okay. Yes, children, now look here. This is the table, my dear. Look again. See this trial balance. Noel John, now please note down and make it. The drawings given wrong. Tanishq Malik. Drawings given wrong. In credit side, it must be in debit side. See, once again I am telling you, we have only 2 lines to learn. All assets, expenses, purchase and sales return must be in debit. Then reverse it. All liabilities, all income and gain, all sales and purchase return must be credited. Now, one by one you can match. Land and building, debit. Plant and machinery, debit. Wages, debit. Discount allowed, debit. Discount received, credit. Purchase, debit. Sales return, debit. Sales, credit. Sales return must be debit and purchase return must be credit. Then opening stock, debit. Debtors, debit. Creditors, credit. Carriage means on sales or on purchase. Both are in debit side. Insurance, debit. General expenses, debit. Cash in hand, debit. Why? Because cash is an asset. Then bank overdraft must be in credit. Why? Because bank overdraft is a liability. Now capital always in credit and drawings, personal expenses always in debit. Got it? Any doubt? Clear? Now, Tanishq, what is the total of yours on the debit side? Tanishq will give us the total of debit side. Tanishq Malik, give us the total of debit side.
I'm totaling it.
Noel John, both the sides. And Jatin Bhatia, please tell us the total of credit side. Who has done
Ma'am,
the
421380.
Who has done the total of debit side? Yes, children, note down these two lines that will be useful for you always. All asset, all expenditures, purchase and sales return will always debit. All liabilities, all income and gain, total sales, total purchase return and capital that must be credited. Total is